Alright everyone, now let's talk about search params. Search params are the values we pass in the URL after a question mark. For example, after our root, we can write something like question mark. A equals 5. So here, A is the key and 5 is the value. Now, how do we access this in Next.js? We use search params. Inside our component, we can get it just like params. So first, let's log it to the console. Again, we use await and write await search params. When we check the console, we can see our data. For example, A equals 5. Now, we can store this in a variable. For example, const filters equals await search params. Since this is a key value structure, now we can access any value using its key, and then we can use it inside our component however we want. So the logic is simple. Anything after the question mark in the URL is captured using search params, and we can easily access and use those values in our application.